Hey there, this is Dr. Dave with Stronghold Health, and today we're going to be discussing what are the top 3 things that you need to look for when you're trying to select a chiropractor. If you are in the market and you've been looking for a chiropractor, you've probably seen doctors that take x-rays, don't take x-rays, adjust by hand, don't adjust by hand, all kinds of things. So with my 15 years of clinical experience, these are the top 3 things that I would recommend for what you should look for in a good chiropractor. Number 1, what you want is you want a chiropractor that's going to do a thorough evaluation that will consist of looking at nerves, muscles, joints, and range of motion. You want a doctor that's going to be capable and competent to be able to help you evaluate all of those systems. And with that, the number 1 way to evaluate the nerve system isn't just going to be like looking in your eyes and doing like an eye exam or things along those lines. It's actually going to be looking inside. It's going to be looking inside by the use of digital x-rays, or even better than digital x-rays, digital motion x-rays, which is like a video x-ray. That's cutting edge, that's next level. We're not there yet at our clinic, but we do full spine digital x-rays. The reason why you want digital x-rays is because our nervous system, the nerves, the spinal cord, are protected by bones. It's the only system in our body that's encased in bones. So you have to look at the structure and the alignment of those bones to make sure that they're doing what they're supposed to, which is protect that delicate little nervous system. The number 2 thing that you're looking for a chiropractor is you're looking for a chiropractor that is going to give a whole body wellness approach. Instead of just looking at one little tiny area, for instance, you're coming in with neck pain. With your neck, if it is a structural issue in the spine and your neck, we also have to take into consideration how that translates all the way down through the rest of your body. Because there's other components that could be affecting that problem in your neck. And so if I were to only adjust and only work with that problem in your neck, I might miss a pelvic and hip issue that's throwing your neck off in the first place. So we want to look at the body as an entire frame. The number 3 thing that I think you should ideally look for in a chiropractor is you should look for a chiropractor that's going to do manual hands-on adjusting, or a combination of manual hands-on adjustments, but also instrument adjusting. If you're going to a chiropractor, in my humble opinion, and the clinical years of experience, that chiropractor is only doing just like a little instrument that they're using to adjust you, it's not enough to move the spinal joints and to affect appropriate change, structurally speaking. So those are the 3 things that you're looking for, ideally, to find a really, really cool, or could I say, even say like badass chiropractor. Number 1, you want a doc that's going to be able to look at your body, nerve, muscle, joint, range of motion testing, but culminate all of that with digital x-rays. So they can look at the structure, they can take measurements, they can do the right analysis on your spine and know exactly what spinal joints to adjust and which ones to not adjust. Number 2, you want a doc that's going to look at your body as an overall entire frame. So we're going to consider all the different parts of the body and how they interconnect together cohesively, synergistically. And with that, you'll also have docs that will do like functional medicine and look at other areas of the body that communicate with the nervous system. And then number 3, you're going to want a doc that ideally does manual hands-on adjusting, or a combination of manual hands-on and instrument adjusting. So with that, these are the 3 top things that you're looking for an ideal chiropractor. Dr. Dave, signing off.